Okay, ready? Here's how we gotta do it. Watch your fingers. Woo!
They seem to have done it.
We have 3 people.
Yep.
3
3 people on.
Cowboy dance.
Good morning, guys. My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Vette YouTube channel. Today we've got AV behind us. Also, Happy New Year's. Today happens to be January 1st of 2021. And yes, I said 2021, as in 2021. Not number one, but they won. They won is the toughest year. So anyhow, since it is a new year, we are officially stripping all of the lights off. That's right. And so I'm working on this, and this is my tape pile so far. Yeah, it's pretty nasty. And there's a lot of it. There's a lot of water. But yep, that's what I'm doing today. What are you guys doing today? Drop that down below. Let me know. It's cold out here. And I seen that it was supposed to snow last night, and then it was supposed to get some flurries again this morning. However, we didn't get either. And so before that happens, I'm trying to get the lights off of the Corvette, because I don't want to come out here when there's snow on it and do it. And I really don't want it to sit out here in the snow with these lights on. So, kind of out here freezing my booty off here. Whew, trying to get it done. Oh, brr, it's cold. I probably can't sit you guys anywhere. Maybe up here. Nope. I'm trying to find a good spot to sit, guys, so I can still talk to you and do this. But I can't. It's kind of hard. So I hope that y'all had a great New Year's Eve and start off the New Year's right. And, well, this, I guess today is Friday. So we did start it off pretty darn good. It's always good to start off a new year on a Friday. Everybody knows Friday is a yee day. Oh, look at that. There's already ice. Look. Can you see that? Can you see that? Yeah. Oh, that's ice. There's already ice under here. Oh, no. This isn't gonna be good. Well, my detailer's gonna hate me. I think I'm gonna take my car to the detailer when I can. I know it doesn't run right. It doesn't drive right, but I'm gonna have it clean. What kind of sense does that make? Oh, that's the Trevor sense. Ooh. Anyways, I'm sure some are wondering, why is the car sitting outside? Well, we don't have a garage yet. We're working on it. And I'm gonna be ordering my harmonic balancer soon. Hopefully soon. Thank you to that stimulus check. What's up? And then I believe, what was that? That was weird. There's something over there. I believe that we are gonna put the car on the trailer and use the trailer as a garage, as a working spot. See, it kind of sits you right there. Whoa, it's magic! And then we will change the harmonic balancer with the car, put up on the trailer, because I really don't know where else to do it, and I don't want to wait till I have a garage to do it, because I miss driving this car. Even though the transmission is bad, I know. If somebody just wants to donate $4,200 to me, there's a link to my PayPal below. Hashtag sponsor the Arctic Vette transmission. Seriously though, I'm gonna get a transmission that's gonna cost me about that much, because it's gonna be built. It's gonna be built to last, and it will last, and it will take a beating from me and survive. Yeah. Alright, so let's take a quick glance here. Oh, look at the back. Ooh, that booty. Let's get some of that booty view. Oh, yeah. She looks so good again. So good. I missed it. I missed it. Ah. The smell of Corvette in the morning. Alright, we're gonna cut to me having all of the lights off, so see you guys in a bit. Alright, there we go. She's all cleaned up. And I know she looks kind of good to you guys on camera, but she needs a bath. Badly. And, well, there's some minor damage here. Should have seen this coming. So we got all this goo. Like right there, you gotta get all of that off of there. Some more of it back here. You can really see it on this wrap. And on the top, you can see it. So, yeah, here's another good spot to see. This isn't really damaged, just dirty. This is our roll of tape that we use. It's like a hockey puck now. But here's the damage. Dang it. Man.
Just
Yep.
cover that up.
There we go, problem solved. We just have to leave Audi's hand there all the time. Doop. Well, if you guys enjoyed this Christmas light wrap removal video, oh wait, there's another damage right there. Kind of peeling, and then I ripped part of the car. Yep. Anyhow, come get your signature on this hood so that I can take it off and hang it up, because I'm ready to remove that back there and have an all white car again. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click that red subscribe button. And while you're at it, click that bell notification to get notified every time we make an upload. Of course.
It's dead.
It's dead. Rip. That didn't go how I wanted it to. Oops. Well, catch you guys in the next video.
That's charging now.